If you're looking to get more information on how to dress for your unique body shape, I would definitely recommend you checking out Kibbe's Identity Image System. And unlike the traditional body shape theory, this system aims at providing a harmonious image of a person rather than styling individual body parts. And I personally love it because it helps finding the right balance based on your unique body shape rather than following fashion trends. So to find out your Kibbe body type, you need to take a test, and it's actually a self-assessment. In fact, being a self-assessment test, sometimes it could be quite tricky to get an objective image of yourself. As for me, I used to think that I have quite proud shoulders. For a very long time, I actually thought I'm more of a soft natural rather than soft classic. And since I have these doubts, I double checked it by Dressarte Paris, and I will leave you guys a link in the description box in case you are interested too. Opt for clothing that has a structured but slightly relaxed fit. Garments should follow the natural curves of your body without being too tight or too loose. Tailored trousers are one of my staples, and these are custom-made to my body measurements by Dressarte in case you're wondering where to find a perfect pair of trousers. Go for fitted, tailored blazers with subtle waist definition. Avoid overly stiff or boxy styles. I personally love wearing my power suits and blazers, and a well-tailored suit or a stylish blazer or a dress or trousers will instantly elevate your look. It's really important to accentuate your waist. Belted dresses, wrap dresses, and high-waisted pants or skirts are great for showcasing your waist. These cuts help create a balanced and feminine silhouette. Styles that lack structure, like oversized or baggy clothing, can overwhelm your body and hide your natural balance. Opt for lightweight, flowy fabrics like silk, cashmere, chiffon, or lightweight wool. These materials complement your softly rounded lines and help maintain an elegant appearance. Stay away from stiff, heavy, or bulky fabrics, as they can overwhelm your frame and hide your natural grace. Look for soft draping, gentle pleats, and subtle ruching, so these details add softness without being overpowering. Aim for moderate necklines, such as scoop necks, boat necks, or soft V-necks. Avoid extremely high or plunging necklines, as this can disrupt your natural balance. Avoid very bright, bold, or neon colors, as well as overly dark, heavy hues. And make sure you choose the colors that complement your skin tone. And in case you have any doubts, I would advise to find your personal color season and find the colors that will be the most flattering on you. Floral, soft pasteles, and small, delicate patterns would work pretty well. Stick to smaller or medium-sized prints that won't overwhelm your frame. Stripes or geometric can be incorporated as long as they are understated. Avoid loud, oversized patterns. Big, bold, or busy prints can easily overwhelm the soft classic's balanced silhouette. Go for delicate, classic jewelry pieces. Pearl earrings, small pendants, or delicate gold bracelets would work pretty well. Structured but elegant handbags that are not too oversized will complement the soft classic's balanced look. Choose shoes that have a refined and feminine touch, low to moderate heels with soft curves or rounded toes. Avoid over chunky shoes or overly angular designs. When it comes to the makeup, opt for neutral, softly defined makeup that enhances your natural features. And by focusing on soft elegance, subtle structure, and delicate detailing, you will be able to create a wardrobe that highlights the harmonious balance of the soft classic Kibbe body type. I personally prefer to use Kibbe body identity system together with kitchen style essence theory, as I think it provides a better understanding of a personal style. So as always, make sure to experiment with different styles to see what works best for you, and do not focus too much on the guidance. Feel how it resonates with your personal style. If something doesn't work for you, despite all the recommendations, make sure to listen to yourself and dress the way you want. As always, I would be curious to know your Kibbe body type. Leave me a quick comment in the description box, and really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!